Millimoles of H₃PO₄ equals 50 times 0.2 equals 10 mol. Millimoles of Na₃PO₄ equals 50 times 0.2 equals 10 mol. The extreme acidic and basic species react completely. Comproportionation H₃PO₄ plus PO₄ to the power 3 gives H₂PO₄ to the power plus HPO₄ to the power 2. Since both reactants are exactly 10 mol, they are completely consumed, producing exactly 10 mol of H₂PO₄ to the power and 10 mol of HPO₄ to the power 2. This forms an ideal buffer system consisting of the second dissociation pair H₂PO₄ to the power divided by HPO₄ to the power 2. Since their concentrations are perfectly equal, pH equals pKa₂ plus log 1 equals pKa₂. Therefore, pH equals 7.2. The answer is 7.2.